My name's Tim Whalen. I was a career Special Forces officer, Green Beret, and first heard about St. John's. I was sitting in an orthopedic clinic at an Army hospital and becoming kind of aware that maybe I was physically done. I did all 4 semesters of the liberal arts master's degree, and then I came back and did the 5th semester. I've since done pieces of the Eastern Classics here and there, and the only reason I haven't gone all the way through, I love that also, and I'm especially intrigued by the way we approach different cultures on their own terms. Again, no interpretation, just what are the Buddha's words here? And the only reason I've dipped and dabbed in that is simply the disabilities I carried over from my previous career. Summer Classics is just a microcosm of the overall program. The program I've done here has literally changed and literally enriched my life. It's given me so much an expanded vocabulary, if you will, for understanding the world and understanding myself. The first class I took here way back was first 6 books of Homer, Iliad, and then the Iliad and the Odyssey, and I wasn't long back from Afghanistan then. Reading about these ancient wars, and then Odysseus who by the way was the first special operator, reading about these ancient wars and the first special operator return has helped me understand my experiences in my return and that of other veterans I know. Almost every class in some way expands an understanding of my life and myself. Somewhere in the program I just started writing poetry, which various tutors are encouraging me to get published. And so that's a great example of, somehow these understandings and expressions were in me. Thanks to the catalyst of the program, I've produced them outside. I love the text, and I make great friends here because there's right away a commonality that's hard to find, of people that are interested in ideas and reading.